Alright, so I'm revisiting the Lennox heat pumps again. And that one just kicked off. And as you can see, they are in heat mode. Not as frozen as they were last time. This one's barely even frozen. But I kind of got to make this quick. And that one just turned off. I think that one's the only one running now. The Bryant isn't running. Is that one defrosting? No, it's not defrosting. So this one's now the only one running. Alright. Well, that ductless mini split is frozen. Daikin. That Daikin is frozen, but yeah, that Bryant last time I got defrosting, and that Lennox next to it. And so that is now the only one running, so I really don't think we're gonna get a defrost today. That really sucks. Which means they probably have defrosted before, but there's those two Carrier Tech 2000s and those three Lennoxes. And then the rest of these three, that Bryant, that Daikin mini split, and then this Goodman heat pump. These are all heat pumps. So the only thing we can hope for now is that Lennox heat pump goes into defrost, which I doubt is going to happen. Looks like that Bryant has defrosted again. But I got a nice steam show from that Bryant last time. And that Daikin is sort of frozen. I don't think it's running though. Yeah, I don't think we're going to get one today, but we'll switch on back. Ouch. This Lennox, I don't know what year it's from. Probably 2015 or some crap. It won't focus enough. Yeah, I can't tell. I'm gonna guess they were like from 2015. And see, all the frost went away, so yeah, chances are probably 0. If only those Carriers were running, but I guess not. So, anyways, I don't think I'm gonna stay around here for too much longer. So, and that, unless that Daikin's defrosting, I swear, if that Daikin is defrosting, I don't know. Daikins are so dang quiet. The inverters. It's hard to tell. But I don't think so. Alright. Thanks for watching. Bye.